Mama. Mama. Mama.
All I'm saying is, some disappointment at times can be a blessing in disguise.
After the attack, I woke up and realized I've been hospitalized for 2 weeks. I started battling for my life. But all the while I was in the hospital, I kept seeing Daddy in my dreams, urging me to go back home. So I went to the Nigerian Embassy in South Africa and requested to be deported back home because I couldn't raise money for my flights back home. I can't believe my father is gone already. I heard he died because of the news of my alleged death.
Mama, what you are saying?
You have to listen to me. You must take that money. I cannot deceive you. I am older than you. You are just like a daughter to me. No. Be useful to yourself. You see, great men, important men, men that are even better than my son, they will come for you. You learned fashion and designing, right?
Mama, I did. But it's been a long time. Besides, there are new styles coming out now. If I have to go back to it, then I'll need to update my knowledge.
I agree to that. Thank God my son gave you an open check. You have to feel enough money. That will be okay for you. You have to go to the city, refresh your memory on fashion and designing, start up something, start it in a bigger way. Believe me, you will never regret it. You must like it and thank me later. Okay? Feel that check.
It's okay, my son. Obina is okay. Stop lamenting. The important thing is that you are now back home. May his soul rest in peace.
Yes, sir. Now that the prince is back, I suggest we start planning for his coronation.
Yes, you are right there. You're right. At least Obina's return faults the original plan we had with Chioma's husband. Exactly. Yes, it faults it.
Really? Yes. I think Ichien Dode is correct. Yes. Prince Obina, once more you are welcome. You are welcome to Fuma Kingdom. Welcome, my boy.
My elders, this calls for celebration.
There is nothing to celebrate. Why? Absolutely nothing to celebrate. Excuse me, have you forgotten so soon? No! Have you forgotten that Esther's in-law single-handedly sponsored the last of father? In fact, I would suggest that you keep the money you intend to use for this celebration, because I'm sure you're going to need it in the future. Yes, you will need it. They're saying that your son returned empty-handed. Oh, Bakanata! Empty-handed.
Let us continue with the process we have started. Obina coming back is a distraction.
Yes.
Madam. Etalaku.
Okay,
Okay, Segede.
Obina coming back is a very big distraction.
Very big distraction. Even I got.
Ndị ichie ozugono.
Mama,
No.
as we discussed, the moment I settle down, I will send for Chibuzo to come and join me in Abuja.
That's good. It's a very good idea.
Yes.
Manana Biko. Anyagedekwane hineme. Biko. And my God, we continue to lift you up higher
Amen.
and higher.
Amen. Amen.
Amen.
Amen.
Amen.
Mama Ifadiko, in case if you people need anything, don't hesitate. I repeat, don't hesitate to put me on call. If I give me a kizuogu, get a monkey walk, bamboo shop.
Okay.
Monkey walk, bamboo shop.
Are you serious, brother?
Yes, now. If I go, give me a kizuogu.
It's so I have
Mama,
heard you.
I have to be going. You know, Abuja is very far.
It's okay.
Brother,
My God, we
give
see
me
you
this your umbrella. Let me keep it for you
Wait,
now.
wait. This is not just an umbrella. This is my signature. Yes, even if I forget everything in this life, I cannot forget this, my umbrella. Oh, my umbrella. My umbrella is so much attached to me.
I know. Brother, but you don't need it in Abuja. Eh? Now you're a big man. It was a big man. Eh? Let me keep it for
I've
you.
heard you. I will give you the umbrella. But you have to keep it safe. Because I will show it to my children's children. Okay?
All right, brother.
Mama,
No.
I have to be going.
I have
You know
heard
Abuja is very far. All right, Mama.
I have heard all that you have said. But remember what I told you.
Mama, I've heard you, Mama. Please take good care of yourself.
I will, my dear.
Don't forget to put me on call anytime you need anything. Don't hesitate. Mama, if I go get out.
It's okay. No.
Mama, I have to run along, okay?
Safe journey, eh?
And bring the
Mama, I'm
bag.
coming back. Let me escort you.
Just escort.
Mama, enjoy my room.
Now what I call it? Mama. Hey.
it's simple now. Once he pays in the money, you just pick it up from there. That's not a problem. Once he transfers the money, I'll send the document. Simple. Yeah, it's in my mail. I'll just send the document once he transfers the money. Alright. Alright, thank you. Yeah.
Honey.
Yeah.
I want to talk to you about something.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Yeah, go ahead.
I need a domestic staff. Someone to help me with, house chores and all of that.
Oh, that's not a problem. My mother is coming to pay us a visit next week, so you have nothing to worry about.
Mama?
Yes, Mama.
Honey, I'm talking about an assistant. Like a maid. Someone I can send on errands. Go do this and that for me. Mama.
No.
No.
Mama is a very nice person. She's going to do all of that for you. Trust me. You like her. Huh?
Sure.
Yes. Okay. Can I get some smoothie?
Smoothie?
Yeah.
Oh, sure.
Fruit juice, smoothie, anyone.
Okay.
I'll be there.
Okay. Alright. Smoothie, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Pineapple juice.
Okay.
Oh no. You know I have been cheated in the past on this palace because my co-wife Amarachi bear the heir to the throne of this kingdom. Now that things didn't work according to plan, I know you're a wise man. I want you to advise me as the custodian of our culture. What do you have me do to get what I want? By all means.
You are a wise woman, my queen. You are a wise woman. The competition is very fierce and stiff. And only the wise and subtle like you can win the war. But it will cost you a lot. Are you ready?
Very. Very, you know. I have been cheated in the past.
Are you sure you are ready?
I am. I won't let that happen again.
That is the spirit. I assure you my total support, if you know what I mean.
Oh no. I am ready. Take this for a start.
My queen, my queen.
Thank you.
I can see you already. You are a wise woman. You are ready.
Obinna, I wish your father is alive to witness your return. But all the same, the gods know the best. They are wise. We cannot question them. My son, a lot has happened. A lot.
It's okay, Mom. I am back now. And with your support, we are going to make this kingdom work again. My father did a great job, and I intend to continue where he stopped.
My son, I know your father will be very proud of you wherever he is. But first thing, we need to commence plans on your coronation. Very important. As soon as possible.
Yes, you're right, Mom. You're absolutely right. By the way, where is Sochima? I can hardly see her around.
Where else would she be apart from her room? Obina, I told you a lot has happened. Since Choma collected her fiance, she's no longer herself. Always on her own. She hardly go out.
It's okay, Mom. I will have to talk to her. I mean, she can't continue like this. Don't worry. Everything will be fine.
It's okay.
Sir, he's here.
All right, leave us.
Thank you, sir. Greetings, sir.
Well done. Have a seat.
Thank you.
I was told you are the best detective in the commission, Mr. Yika.
By the grace of God, yes.
Beautiful, beautiful. Here is the case. Everything you need is inside this file.
It's okay, sir.
Yes. This job is very important to me. If you need anything, don't hesitate to get back to me. Secondly, report to me directly. Okay?
Directly, sir.
One more thing. I need result as soon as possible.
Thank you very much, sir, for trusting in me, and I promise I'm going to do my best to deliver.
Beautiful. Beautiful. I love that. Alright, you can go.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
My elders, you're welcome. Please, I am sorry for keeping you waiting.
My others. Cola is here.
The prince. American. There's a lag.
My others. Unu mana onye afụlụ chọba ọjị bụkwa nye nwa nwa ọjị.
It's all right. But Queen Amarachi, the chairs are here, except for Erika, that is on his way. May we know the reason for the invitation?
My elders, we will get to that, please. But first thing first, the cola. Let us observe tradition.
Okay. I think the Queen is right. It's right. Let us bless the kola nut first, before any other thing. Obasiri Lele, anyị ekele gị. Chukwu okike abịama.
I believe they have gathered again. And this time is not in your favor. Are you sure? Very sure, my queen. They're inside the house. No. This will not happen. Not when I am still breathing.
are you all doing? Holding a secret meeting against me? Oh. Really? Esther!
Hi.
I am not done talking. How dare you call a meeting without me? You think I won't know? Amarachi. I know your plan. But sorry! I am way ahead of you. All of you! All of you!
What has gotten into you, woman? Have you lost your mind? How dare you walk in here and talk to us in such manners? Listen to me, Queen Esther. It is no longer business as usual in this palace. Henceforth, you must watch what you say and what you do in this palace.
Else?
Else I will not hesitate to put you where you belong. Nonsense!
Esther, have you gone crazy? How dare you barge in here and display such attitude? Oh, you think I'm mad? You think I'm mad? All of you, isn't it? Really? How much did you pay them for their conscience? How much? How much did you pay for their conscience? How much? Young men, name your price. Name your price. Name it!
Esther, watch your tongue. I said, watch your tongue.
Oh?
Watch your tongue.
Oh, what?
I'm
You dare not. I am disappointed at all of you. I am disappointed at all of you. And I know that my late husband, Iwo Chindo, will be turning in his grave because of your disloyalty. He must be turning in his grave for your disloyalty.
Woman, you dare that!
Don't do that. Your loyalty. A prince. But Esther, my son and I will not stoop so low to your level. Look at them. Let's go. Bembo claps. Let's go. You are the one that has acted shamelessly, dishonorably. How dare you call a meeting without me? Come on, we didn't walk out. No, come and sit. Come and sit and call a meeting against me in this palace. Stupid things. Let them go. Stupid people. Come and sit and hold meeting against me. No. Now listen. I am the original Lolo of this palace. I have the do's and don'ts. I will deal with all of you, one after another, if you defy my orders. Where do you think you're going, mister? Sit down. Is that the commissioner of police? Yes. I'll be needing your service very soon. Don't worry, I'll stop by your office. Fools. Diala. Kingadila Wayanko. I am the beginning and the end of royalty. No one dares me. Not now. Or ever.
$40,000. The other account. Yeah, the work account. Okay.
Attention, target heading north. Attention, target heading north. Over. Move.
Ozonna. Where is this criminal, Ozonna? Ozonna.
Again there. Is there any problem?
There will be a problem if you don't bring out the 300,000 naira I kept in my bag.
Okay. Papa, did I hear you say 300,000 naira?
Yes.
In this house? Hey. Papa, so you have 300,000 naira, such amount of money, and you kept it away from me, your only son. Hey, Papa.
Ozonna, I know you collected the money. Go and bring out the money from wherever you kept it. I need that money. I need that money now, Ozonna.
Oh, no problem. Come back then, Johnson. Oh, Mputa. I will get it for you. Oh?
Ozonna.
Akunya lulwana lusia Ugwolo gina piano Onye neme njo mesia Bossy na piano No matter what you do in the dark Mesia no ya potifena Ife danyana na mili nemesio Yese kwane nunu Yeah I take it like for JJ Yeah, oh, give me Canazon. What is yours will be your own. You don't need to fight, you don't need to quarrel. Life in Naija.
Oh no.
My queen.
Thank you. Please, bring this thing down. Bring the Ghana must go down.
When will my son come back?
I wouldn't know. I mean, he's a grown man and a responsible one at that.
Can I at least have something to drink or eat while I wait for him? I'm hungry.
Unfortunately, we do not cook in this house. We eat in the eatery.
Akunya lulwana lusia Ugwolo gina piano Onye neme njo mesia Bossy na piano No matter what you do in the dark Mesia no ya potifena Ife danyana na mili nemesio Yese kwane nunu
Madam, why are you behaving like an animal? Eh?
Did you call me an animal?
You just behaved like one. Which normal human being in her right senses will walk into a very clean compound like this and start spitting anyhow?
In my son's house, Chioma, you called me an animal.
You just behaved like an animal. What is this? See, don't get me angry here. Don't get me angry, madam. Why would you do this now? Eh? Village people. That is how they behave. They behave so dirty. See, you just spat there now. See how you spat there. Is it right? I've seen you soon in this house. Nonsense. Make sure you wash it though. Go and fetch water there and wash it. Wash it! Now see that you will last in this house.
Hey! I told Chukwuemeka not to marry this girl, but he refused. Just imagine. Eh? She called me an animal because I spat here. Obrokwa na ala ebe a ka m gboro ya. Eh? Okwa ebe a. Hey!
Akwụnya n'ụlọ analụsịa ụkwụ ọlụ gị na-abịanụ onye na-eme njọ mesịa bọsị ikpe na-abịanụ. No matter what you do in the dark, emesịa nọ ya pụta ife na ife danyere na mmiri na-emesị oyi sekwa n'enunu. Yeah, I take it life for jeje. Yeah, oh gini ka nazana. What is yours will be your own. You don't need to fight, you don't need to quarrel.
Oh no. For how long are you going to keep this long face? I've begged you time and time. Okay. I goofed. Apologies. But you don't expect me to come crawling because of one little mistake, do you? I did that because I was angry. Well, I can see you're not ready to talk. I have to go. Call me when you want to talk.
My queen, you should have trusted me to handle issues back there in the palace. You made me look like a fool.
What was the meeting about? Was it about the throne?
Immediately we started the meeting, you came in and disrupted the meeting.
Well, I'm sorry. Oh no. From today, you shall be my eye and ear in this kingdom. I don't want to be taken unaware. I know that Amarachi trusted you too. But remember, always remember, you are my best bet.
You can trust me, my queen.
I don't trust myself. Not to talk of trusting anyone. Well, send your account details. I'll do something about it.
Thank you very much, my queen. You are very generous. Thank you so much.
No matter what you do in the dark,
honestly, son, it's very important at a time like this, considering the rival we're facing in this palace.
It's okay, Mom. I'll do something about it.
It's okay. Oh, my princess. Yes, thank God you're here. I was telling your brother that it's time we look for a responsible woman for him to marry. Especially now that his coronation is at hand.
Mom!
I already have someone in mind. She's a good girl, from a good home. In fact, she's a wife material. What that you know now?
Wait. Is this some kind of setup?
No! She's so beautiful. I know you like her. Sochi, I'll leave that in your hands. Yeah? Hook them up.
I can't believe you're trying to hook me up.
Don't worry, she's so beautiful.
Beautiful. Who is she?
No lady.
Ajani, do what you can. I want to take over the throne by all means.
Relax. You have come to the land of solution. You have seen. You have tested the power of Ajani. I have something for you. This charm is very powerful. It works faster than you can imagine. Take it. Sprinkle it on the doorpost of the prince. Make sure he matches on it. Watch what will happen next. Onye soro zabulo je mmụọ. Very important. Be fast about it.
Thank you.
Ijoma.
As soon as I get to the palace, Dosasia.
Ozugbo.
Ofia.
Ijoma.
Ozugbo.
Now, I feel like dying. My heart is full of pain. If this is a dream, someone please wake me up again. Oh, my whole world is crashing down, and I feel like I'm dying now. Somebody help me, help me. I'm dying slowly. Help me, I'm dying. Help me,
Chuama, what is the meaning of this?
The meaning is that this is my kitchen.
And so what?
And before you do anything in this kitchen, you consult me.
Chuama, I should consult you, take permission from you before I cook what I will eat in my son's house.
Oh yes, because you're a bush woman from a bush village. And so before you touch anything in my house with your dirty hands, you consult me before you do.
I should consult you first?
Yes.
Okay, wait. I'm going to consult you.
Get out of my chair.
What's going on here? Mama?
Ask your wife.
What happened?
Honey?
Yeah.
Honey, I don't think I can live with your mother in this house. I don't think so. Just look at the way she's catching my kitchen.
You see it?
But, Mama, why are you scattering her kitchen?
Chukwuemeka, I only wanted to cook what I will eat.
And your wife said I should take permission from her first.
Honey,
she was catching everywhere. Okay, look at my salt. Was this where I kept my salt? I kept my salt here. That's where I kept my salt.
Mama, why do you have to do that? Mama, this is my wife. If you want to make anything for yourself, if you come into this kitchen and want to cook for yourself, you should consult her first. If she says you should do that, you should do that. Mama, why didn't you return her salt where she kept it? It's a question. Mama, listen. I'm sorry. You have to leave this house first thing tomorrow morning. Back to the village. Yeah.
Tomorrow is too far.
Too late. Is it not too late?
Is it?
Let's let her leave tomorrow.
In that case,
Yeah.
she would have to sleep in the boys' quarter.
Boys' quarters, fine. I mean, it's quite convenient. Right?
Very convenient. There's even fun there.
Yes, there's a fan.
Chukwuemeka, are you asking me to leave your house? You heard him. He said you should go. Why you ask him so he will say no or what?
Mama, what type of question is that? She's in her husband's house. You need to go to your own husband's house. My darling.
I don't even like the way she's sweating in my kitchen. I don't want it to drop.
It's
Baby.
okay, it's okay. It's okay. How are you?
You know that's not clean.
I know. How have you been?
I've been good, and you?
I'm okay, I miss you.
I miss you too.
Yeah.
You do? Yeah. Oh, baby, you're so sweet.
I take it life for Jaja. What is yours will be your own. You don't need to fight, you don't need to quarrel. Life.
Wakey. Good morning, bro.
Suchi, please put off the light. I need some more sleep.
Hell no. Your bride-to-be will be here shortly. So I want you to rise, go freshen up, and put on your best attire. Cause she's coming here soon.
Today?
Yes.
You mean she's coming in today?
Oh yes, this morning. Look. She's not aware that we planned it. So, you need to act all surprised. If she finds out, you know it's gonna kill the fun.
Ooh, Suchi, honestly, I don't feel like leaving this room today. I just want to sleep.
You lie. You have just 10 minutes to get ready.
10 minutes?
And the time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minutes gone. Okay. See you in 10 minutes.
I can't believe it.
Have you seen my handset? I'm looking for it.
No, my queen. Can I help you look for it? It must be somewhere. Never mind. You don't have to do that. I know it must be somewhere around the palace. You can go. Okay.
Oh, you are here, Akwage. Akwage Wanwa. It will never ever be well with you in your life. You made my own son to send me out of his house. Eh? One Bruna form for 9 months. The son I breastfed, eh? He make Ochopomo, Nsobadege. I curse you today, Chioma. It will never ever be well with you. Omanderege Amma. My own son sent me out of his house because of the woman. Omanderege Amma. I will go. Try. You sent me out. Try. My own son.
Honey?
Hmm?
Are you good?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I'm sure.
Very sure?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's go in.
Did you hold Jason as Ajana directed once a week?
I've not hugged him for over 8 days now. You know, the last time I came here, I told you I was really itchy. You said I shouldn't worry, nothing will happen. I went to the police cell to see if I can hug him, but they didn't grant me access.
Hey! Chioma! You know what? Go to your room. I have to see Ajana quick. Come on.